Hi friends, this is your lesson 5 exit ticket. So we have learned a couple different strategies of how we can add numbers together. In your learning video, you saw two different ways. You saw the way of making a 10, so pulling from that number that's not 9 and adding 1 to the 9 to create your new number sentence of blank plus blank equals 10, and then adding that other third number from that number bond to make 10. Or you could simply just add on. So in this exit ticket, you get to choose which strategy you want to do. You can either count on. Remember, friends, when we're counting on, we always want to start at that bigger number. So if you've got 9 plus 2, friends, don't count on from 2 until you add 9 more. That's silly. That takes a lot longer. Count on from 9, 2 more, and get your answer. You can do that strategy, or you can make a 10 like we did yesterday. Your choice.